What is up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweden Man, yo. Anyways, yo, this episode we're going to New York, so the road trip starts today. We're going to be staying in New York for 2 nights, I believe, but 3 nights. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to check out with my girlfriend. So anyways, yeah, so we're going to New York. So yeah, it's like I mentioned before, that's how we're coming, you feel me? So we're taking this baby on the road trip to New York. I already have my duffel bag in there. I'm gonna go link up with my girlfriend so she could put her stuff in the duffel bag, and we're just gonna buy more stuff in New York. We did pack really light, so you feel me? And I have to go to Pickering Auto Lab because my oil was a little bit topped up a little bit too much, so we're gonna go do that and kind of take it off a little bit, you feel me? But that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, follow my Instagram x_streetman, you feel me? Oh god. Yo, so if you're new to my channel, this is my 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus. For some reason I always think of Audi RS5. It's mind-blowing, but every time I say Audi it gives me throwback. But that being said, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a cold start in case if you're new. It's, I think, was the temperature, it's probably around 11 degrees give or take. And we're gonna stop that copyright. Every time I do the cold start outside here, it's on the low end, and that's what I'm talking about right there. I hope the camera caught that, but yeah, every time I do the cold start here, it's always on the lower tone than in the garage. Obviously, when the space is more condensed, you get a higher tone. But you know, let's carry on. Let's go to Pickering Auto Lab and get the oil reduced and carry on the video. Yeah. Yo, so I just want to give you guys a quick update. So obviously I took out the oil and now it's halved, so yeah, we're good. Yo, let me know what you guys think still. What you guys think? What you guys think, yo? I think this is smart. So next thing we're gonna do, probably gonna get the red one. But let me know what you guys think, and then we'll go from there, yeah? And then we'll have a year. So I just want to say shout out to 6 Graphics. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. I'll put his right here. Actually, that's it right here. 6 Graphic. Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram still. We'll hook you up with any stickers. All you need, you feel me? But yeah, leave it down in the comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, it's supposed to...
It's not as bad as I thought. Okay.
Yo, finally made it at the border. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna put you over there. Yeah, man, how are you? There we go. Of course.
Both Canadian?
Yes.
Where do you guys live?
Sorry?
Where do you live?
Toronto.
Where are you going?
New York.
Where?
New York.
No, New York City?
Well, we're going to New Jersey first.
Yeah.
Jersey?
Yeah.
How long are you guys staying for?
3 days. 3 days?
3 days? What are you guys doing?
Chilling.
Chilling?
Of course,
what
man.
What are you doing with such a slow car?
Oh man, I know. I should have gone a faster one.
What do you do for it?
I do HVAC, heating and cooling. Heating and cooling.
Yeah.
On YouTube, as you can see.
You YouTube?
I do YouTube. My camera is currently on too.
Alright,
Yeah.
what do you guys bringing in?
At the moment, food that we're eating, but decided really nothing.
Yeah, alcohol, tobacco, firearms?
And no, do you want to check?
No.
No.
I
That's
believe.
right. I don't have space to put it.
The engine is too small. Think about
I know, right? You know what? I'm gonna take that in consideration. Thank you.
Alright, brother, be safe.
You too.
Thank you.
Let me hear it a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, let me hear it.
I ain't gonna get in trouble, ain't it?
No, put it in neutral.
Yeah, I got you. Good? Alright, brother.
Be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. That went well.
Yeah, super well.
That was the easiest shit ever. Shout out to the Border Patrol. Shout out to the States. I'm moving here still.
Okay. You're speaking a bit too soon.
Anyways, yo, catch you in a bit. What up, yo? So right now I have no idea. Obviously we're in the US, but we just have to stop for that. The border was interesting. Americans, your palm is very interesting. So this is gonna be very unusual. So it's $4 a gallon. I don't know exactly how much gallons I'm gonna need because we normally do it in liters. And this pump is quite fast. I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, perfect. So let's see exactly how many gallons that we're gonna use, and I'm gonna circle back with y'all later. Yeah. Okay, so we put $58.51 USD. That's equivalent to 14 gallons. Yeah, 14 gallons. We paid a prepaid of $120 Canadian. Probably they charge that in USD, so I don't know exactly the conversion, but yeah, I feel like gas is cheaper here. Would you reckon gas is cheaper here? No? Yeah, I feel like gas is cheaper here than back home. But yo, let me show you guys this car outside still, and like it looks pretty nice. I ain't gonna hold you, especially here. It looks pretty nice with this color. It pops with the light though, no cap. Like, let me show you guys how he's like. That looks pretty sick still. That looks neat, yo. I ain't gonna hold you. That looks neat on God. No keysy. And especially with the Sweeterman logo, well, decals on it, makes it perfect. But yeah, carry on the road. But anyways, yo, obviously as you can see, arrive alive in one piece. So man's gonna check in on the telly. We already checked in actually, so just gonna bring the stuff in. And yeah, long drive. I don't think we're gonna do this again, maybe in the future, but I'm gonna give you guys more updates in the upcoming videos, like how this car kind of handled itself for 9 hours on, you know, driving to New York. So right now we're in New Jersey, and tomorrow I have a lot of stuff to do. So that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and make sure you follow your man on Instagram, x_Sweeterman. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Alright, YOLO.